Thank you, Joe. An update to a News4JAX I-Team investigation we first told you about yesterday. Police are telling us that they are working with the city of Jacksonville after a veteran was denied help. A SWAT team tore through his fence and sewer line to get to a murder suspect hiding next door.
They actually ran over the area where my sewer line comes out the house. Since then, I haven't been able to use the bathroom in the master.
Police caused that damage while catching the fugitive. Now, the homeowner says while he understands officers have a job to do, he wants the city to fix what they broke. News4JAX I-Team investigator Vic Michelucci getting a response from JSO that could lead to help for the homeowner.
This video from July shows the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office SWAT team outside Robert Van Sickle's home. They were closing in on accused murderer Ronnie Johnson. He was hiding next door.
I had one on the front porch. I had two on the roof. And then I had two over here on my garage.
Van Sickle is an Army veteran and first-time homeowner who says he appreciates the police and their response here, but he's not happy about damage to his property as Johnson was arrested.
It's kind of a blow to the face, honestly. I mean, I'm glad they got that guy.
The JSO tractor called a Bobcat took out about 80 feet of his fence, he says, telling us it also ruptured his septic tank line, which is causing plumbing backups to this day.
I haven't been able to use the bathroom in the master. You know, I just get backflow from the toilet.
He filed a complaint with the city of Jacksonville asking them to pay for the repairs or just fix the damage. But he got this letter back saying that wasn't going to happen. It reads in part, I must advise you your claim is being denied. The fault is with Mr. Ronnie Lee Johnson Jr., the fugitive that was captured. To file restitution against Mr. Johnson, you would need to reach out to the state attorney's office.
Unfortunately, with big businesses and municipalities, you know, city governments, you often see that denial letter come first regardless. And it's unfortunate because they are responsible for damage they cause.
Lawyer John Phillips has fought the city on cases like this. He says it's reasonable for Van Sickle to ask for help with repairs. But the reality is hiring an attorney to fight this may cost more than the actual fix.
Community policing requires them to actually give back to the community. And, you know, in an instance like this, it's something that a little bit of elbow grease by the city could probably just fix.
And that could be as simple as sending a public works crew. But when we reached out to the city, a spokesperson said in an email to the I-Team, they aren't budging. However, in an email this afternoon, a police spokesman tells us we have been made aware of this and we are currently working with the city of Jacksonville in an effort to bring a resolution to the citizens' issues. Van Sickle hopes the city helps because he doesn't have the resources or the time to wait for restitution from the murder suspect.
I mean, I work as a pizza delivery driver. I don't got the money to repair all this.
So right now, he's stuck. And we are going to follow up with police and the city to see if they do actually end up going to Van Sickle's property and fixing some of his problems. I'm Vic Michelucci, Channel 4, the local station.
And we're already getting a lot of comments on this story on News4JAX.com. News4JAX insider John wrote, take it up with the criminal. Really? By that logic, then why does the city pay the police? You see, the criminal is causing the expense, so take it up with him. Of course, that would be absurd because there are costs associated with fighting crime. Collateral damage to this man's property is also a cost associated with fighting crime. And Tina commented, but yet my proposed tax bill came in the mail today and it's higher, of course, than last year. I would prefer my tax increase go to Robert Van Sickle, an Army veteran. You can join in on the conversation.